Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to AAATech. In today's videos, I will show you how to download, install and set up Java on Windows step by step. Whether you are a beginner or a developer, this guide will help you get Java running on your system. Let's get started. Press Windows plus R and type cmd and press enter and type Java minus varya and press enter. If Java installed, it will show you the installed version. If you see Java is not recognized, as we see, that means Java is not installed and we need to install it. Okay, then exit the cmd, open a web browser and search for Oracle Java download and go to the official Oracle Java download page. Scroll down to find the Java SE Development Kit JDK. This is Linux. Mac operating system for Windows, we have to go there. Click on the .exe installer file and wait for the download to complete. The file is downloaded now. Go to your downloads folder. Double click to open it. Click next on the welcome screen. By default, Java installs in C. Leave it as default and click next. And wait for the process to complete. Once finished, click close. Press Windows plus S and search for environment variables. And open it. Click on environment variables. Under system variables, click new. In variable name, type Java home. In variable value, paste the Java installation path. Click on browse file. Click on C and then program files. And Java. Click OK. Update the path variable. Find path in system variables and click edit. Click new. Add the Java file. You have to go for C and then program file in Java. Then you have to go here, then you have to bin. Copy this path. Click on new and paste it. And click OK to save changes. And then again OK. And then again press Windows R. Type cmd. To check the Java variant, write Java minus with Java installed correctly, it would display like this. Also check the Java compiler, Java C -1. Okay. That's it. We have successfully installed Java on Windows and set up environment variables. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, share this video, comment below if you have any questions. I will see you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.